G'day everyone. In the next day I'm going to do a live and I'm going to do a thumbnail under 30 minutes, which I think is a little, well, I think I'm pushing it a little bit. Well, actually I'm going to make a different one tomorrow. I'm going to have a hand with me in the background as a separate image, and each one of these is going to be a tool. Probably this one is the biggest tool. Before I do, I want to go through a quick one today for the thumbnail for the live, but tomorrow, well, I mean, this thumbnail took me about an hour or just thereabouts, but I want to try and do tomorrow's under 30 minutes. I don't know if I can do it. Well, all right, I'm going to show you this one sped up. I'll give you instructions along the way and just show you what I do. But tomorrow I'm going to go into finer detail in real time. So let's get into this. Okay, I'm going to have this tomorrow. Do you think I can do it? Oh, well, let's have a go. Now, one of the tools that we use, which I use every single time, is just cutting out. That is it. This is going really fast, and yes, tomorrow I'll show you in more detail. But with this guy, I wanted to make me kind of a doctor, I suppose. So I've cut myself out. Well, I've cut him out. I've stuck my ugly mug on top or underneath to try and make it look like, you know, that's me. It's not looking too bad. I'm a little distorted, but that kind of leans into the, I guess, the uncanny valley that you're looking at someone's face and you're looking and you think it's right, but it's something not quite right, and it just gets your attention. And that's what it's all about. It's not making things great. It's just making things better. And I think I have with this. Now the background, I have, well, I've got an operation table and I've put it out of focus, and it's still not quite, look, you can see that it's still not quite right because everything just looks the same. And I went with different colors to try and stand out. And you know what? Purple, I think, stood out the best. And that's right, I cut out the hand to try and make it a little bit so I could manipulate the me from my hand and that sort of thing, even though it's not really my hand. And I mean, yes, it's going so fast, and this is the result. And well, actually, I'm going to go with this one tomorrow. So go create something awesome for God, and I'll catch you tomorrow.